So my name is Alice Besra. I am from state of Jharkhand and I'm doing my post graduation. And in my family we are three members: mother, brother, and I. And if I talk about my hobbies are listening the music, watching the conversation videos on YouTube, and traveling, etc. That's all about me.
Wow. You are doing post graduation. So, in which subject are you doing that?
Yes, sir, yes, with English literature.
English literature. Wow. What a coincidence.
Yes, sir, yes. Sir.
Okay. So, are you about to complete it?
No, sir. Only now I am first year.
First year. So, so how did you start your journey of learning this language?
Sir, I have been started this language before 3 months.
Oh, just
Yeah.
three.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Uh,
That,
Till now I have done 2 3 conversation with I have done.
okay, okay. But
Yes,
even
I'm
then,
new, sir. Sir, I'm new. I'm the beginner person.
okay, no problem. All the people who are speaking good English today, they were also beginners sometime,
Yeah, yeah.
right? Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
do not think that you are a beginner. Even we were also beginners. There was a time around 6 years ago, I was also a beginner.
Sir, when I saw your message, I got frightened, sir, because I don't know that much English. You are speaking very good English. That's why I feel how I will speak with him.
No, no, it is not like that. Actually, I think that we should speak in such a way so that everybody may understand us. There is no need of speaking very fast. We should help those students who are not able to speak well. Those
Yeah.
students do not have good environment for speaking English.
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the need of showing off that I can speak very fast or I have a lot of knowledge? All these things are different things. We should not try to behave anyone like that.
That's why I connect with the native speaker. I don't have don't connect with the they are some are they have advanced English they are talking. No? Some people with them I did not connect them with them because I don't know that much English.
Yeah, and it is not good. In the beginning, it won't be good if you are going to connect with Americans or
Yes, yes,
Britishers.
yes, yes, sir.
And even I have talked with them, like Americans and Britishers, Sri Lankan, and some other people from around the globe, around the world. So yeah, of course they speak in different ways, but I know the rules according to which they speak, so I do not have that much problem.
Yes,
Since you are a beginner, so it will be better if you're going to talk with the people from our own country, because
yes,
our way of speaking is very normal, very simple.
yes, yes. Sir, how
So
did you come to know me?
no, I was watching some videos, and there your video also came. I don't know
Ah,
what was the name of that channel, but yeah,
yes.
from there
You
I
are,
got your.
sir, you are speaking very good. Pronunciation is very good. Your pronunciation is.
Actually, for this pronunciation, I had to work very hard. I had
Yeah.
to buy dictionaries, some books. Those dictionaries were really very thick. I can say, like this, 2,000 pages, 2,200 pages, and not only one dictionary, but a lot of dictionaries that I
Yes.
was recommended by my American teachers and British teachers. So they told me about buying these books and dictionaries, and they were foreign books and dictionaries, not Indian.
Okay.
If
You are
somebody knows,
very, very good speaker, sir. You are very good speaker.
I do not consider. Anyway, thank you so much for saying so, but I do not think that I'm very brilliant or I can speak very well. But whatever I have learned just with the help of my foreign teachers, as I have told you. Because whatever they told me, I just bought all those books and I started reading everything.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir. You are looking cricket player. Are you
cricket,
playing cricket, sir? Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah, maybe because of my cap and the color of this
Yes,
shirt.
yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, I like this, like using cap and all these things. That's why.
Yes.
So, do you practice daily?
No, sir. Sometime I give up. Sometime I didn't practice because when I'm living in my home, there is no network problem. That's why I don't practice at home. When I come in the town, that time I will practice every day.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah, you are speaking already well. I can say this thing, but if you keep on practicing, then you will be able to speak fluently, like a
Yes.
native speaker, at a
Yes.
very high. And do you have some friends with whom you can practice around you?
No, sir, I don't have. I'm alone. In my village, I am the one. There are no one to speak with me.
Oh God, it means you have faced a lot of problems. I'm
Yes,
sure even at
yes,
you.
yes. I in my at home also we are speaking our native language.
Oh,
Sometimes I go outside my field. That time I practice by watching the things. I explain and I practice English in the field also.
yeah, yeah, that is a very good thing. Actually, when I was in my village, at this time I am in the city, but before some time when I started my journey, at that time I was in my village. And I used to do the same thing that you are doing at this time. I used to go to the forest for speaking English because even I had not got any friend with whom I could speak. So I used to go to the forest for speaking, and then I used to practice there, and then I used to come back to my home. So I think you are doing the same thing that I have done in my
Yes,
past,
yes, yes, sir.
and it is the best way I can say for
Yes,
the
yes.
person who does not have good environment.
So now you are outside, no?
No, not outside. I'm on the roof. You can see this is the
Oh,
roof.
okay, okay, sir. Because behind you looking, there are so many trees are there.
Now you can see the real thing.
Yeah, yeah, yes. I'm able to see.
Yeah, I'm standing on the roof.
Yeah.
It means you are the first person who is speaking English in your village. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, sir. You are right.
That's and after you, I'm sure there will be some other students who won't face any problem in English because you will be there, so you will guide them to speak it.
That I want to improve my English.
Yeah, yeah, that is good. Actually, this is a kind of barrier. If we want to go somewhere or we want to talk to someone, so we cannot understand and we cannot talk to someone properly.
Yeah, yes, sir.
For doing any kind of job or for our career growth, if we want to do something big in our life, so we cannot do this thing if we do not know this language.
Yeah.
And even I have talked to some people. I mean, many people. I cannot tell you how many people I have talked, but all the people and good people, educated people, they also say this thing that if we have to do something big in our lives, so it is important for us to know about this language.
Yes, yes.
And this time we can talk to each other, so it is possible just because of this language. Otherwise, I didn't know language.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Sir, do you have YouTube channel, sir?
Yes, yes. I have YouTube channel. If you want, I can upload your video there. Otherwise, I won't.
Yes, you can upload, sir. I don't have
Yeah.
any problem.
Actually, if I upload this video there, so there will be some other students who come from rural background. They will also think there are some sisters like you, some girls who do
Yes,
not have good environment. They will also get motivated by watching your video, our
yes,
video.
yes, sir.
And in this way, you will be able to get some other friends up your type. I mean, who are beginners. They will also start calling you and talking. In this way, you can also do the practice with them.
Yes, yes.
That is why I put it there. Otherwise, whenever I talk to someone at that time, I take his or her permission for uploading there. If they say yes, at that time it's okay. Otherwise, I don't upload it.
Yes, yes. Most of the people they don't like to come in the social media. That's why they say no, don't upload.
Yeah, but it is not bad. Actually, it is very helpful if you are
Yes,
doing this. This is a good use of the mobile phone, we can say,
yes, yes,
because we are learning something. If we have to speak before someone in the future, so at that time we can speak to. If we can speak here, we can speak there too.
yes, yes,
Actually, what normally happens? People have a lot of knowledge. Students also have got good knowledge about English, but they are not in the habit of speaking this language. That's why they cannot express their thoughts before anyone.
yes, yes,
Right? Even you would have seen this thing. I mean, the students of English literature in your classroom, even some of them would have got good knowledge, but they cannot speak it.
yeah, yeah, yes,
So this is the thing, but at least you have started doing these things. So I will say this thing that you have shown your real courage. You are a courageous girl.
Yes,
Because
sir. Thank you, sir.
people get very scared. Oh, English, I cannot do that. I come from rural background. I do not have good environment and all these things. So if someone tries to make excuses, so he or she can do that. But brave people never, never claim for all these things. They never say that we cannot do this thing, right?
Yes. Most
Okay.
of the people are there from rural area.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
right.
yes,
And even if you wanted to make excuses just by saying this thing that I do not have good environment, I do not have partner with whom I can practice. So how can I learn this English? You could also leave it like this. Leave it here. Who will
yeah,
waste the time in this language?
yeah.
But you did not do that. That's why you are speaking so well English today, right?
Yes, sir. That is the problem. I don't have any partner who can correct me whether I am speaking good English or wrong English. That's why I sometimes I get fear to speak English in front of others.
Yeah, it happens. Actually, in the beginning, these things happen. But if you keep on doing this thing continuously, at that time, all the fear will go away from you. In the
Yeah.
beginning, you're going to care about your expression, about your pronunciation, and all these things. So it is not possible for anyone to focus on different kind of things at the same time. Like, as you said, your grammatical mistakes and your pronunciation, your expression, way of speaking, and formation of the sentences. So everything cannot be managed at the same time, and that too in the beginning. But if you have started this journey, so slowly and gradually you will be able to speak first,
Yes.
and after
Yes,
that,
sir.
you will be able to remove your hesitation, and then pronunciation you can improve. You can read grammar books and all these things.
Sir, in order to learn English, grammar is needed or just we can start speaking English.
Yeah, it depends on the person, I can say. Actually, there are some people who are well educated.
Yeah.
They have good knowledge. There are some people who do not have any knowledge of English or any language. So the people who come from rural background and do not have good environment, like where everybody speaks English, if they do not have this kind of environment, at that time grammar is important, of course. At least tense, passive voice, narration, all these things should be known.
Yes.
Because we have good environment, like where everybody, all the people in the village or in the town speak in English. At that time, there is no need. This grammar is not going to be that much important because we are listening to all the sentences and speaking in the same way. So, what is the need of grammar? But in the village, we cannot have that kind of environment where everyone speaks English, like you know, English people, like in Britain or America. So, we do not have that kind of environment, right?
Yes.
Yes, we have to think sometimes how to speak this sentence and how to speak that sentence. And if we do not have the knowledge of grammar, tense at least, so how can we form this thing that if we have to speak something like in future or past, we cannot speak all these things. And as you said, that you cannot take any help from anyone because those people with whom you are living at this time, they do not have even this much knowledge as you have.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So at least these basic things should be known if someone thinks about learning this language. And if I talk about me, so I have learned almost all the rules. As I told you, I'm also postgraduate. So all the rules of grammar, English grammar, and pronunciation, all these things. So I do not face that much problem. But yeah, I have felt this thing that at least basic knowledge of the grammar should be there with us.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So have you ever visited to some other state?
No, sir.
Not yet.
Yes, once I have gone UP, UP.
UP, okay, in my state.
Yeah, yes, sir. UP. I have seen there Jhansi Rani, Jhansi ki
Yeah.
Rani. The house
Yes.
I have one.
Okay.
Yes, I have visited there before
Yeah.
maybe 6 years ago or something. I not remembering.
Oh. Could you tell me the meaning of Jai Johar? Do you know the meaning of Jai Johar?
Jai Johar.
Do you know Jai Johar?
Yes, sir. I know.
What is the meaning of this thing?
Jai Johar means namaskar. We are doing na like this.
Okay. No, I have heard this word sometimes.
Yes,
People
yes.
talk.
Sir.
Jharkhand, like your
Yes,
your
sir.
PM, and some other people they speak like that.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's good. It means from now on I can use this as a greeting word if I'm going to talk with someone who is from Jharkhand.
Yes. In Jhansi, no, their place, UP.
Yeah, Jhansi.
Jhansi, Jhansi. That place I have seen.
Yeah, that's good.
Uh,
In future, where would you like to go? To which state?
Everywhere I like to go, sir, but I'm not getting chance to go.
Yeah, and now you can go and talk to different people too, because you have this much capability that you can understand anyone now. Whether you go to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, or somewhere else, you can understand everyone now.
Kerala also I have seen, sir. Kerala also.
You have been there.
Yes, I have been there. When
Okay,
I
so
when I was studying 12th standard, that time I have gone.
could you understand their language a bit?
Yes, little bit I understand. What are they saying? Look, wait.
You know,
How I
even
understand that language little bit.
okay, even I have talked to some people from there, but I could not understand anything whatever they were speaking.
Verlam is water. They will say verlam like that.
Oh God, you know so many things, right?
Little bit
Thank you.
I yes.
Yeah, I'm sure if you're going to live there for 2 or 3 months, you will learn a lot of sentences and words from there.
Yes.
That's good.
While
So,
listening that we can understand. If we will listen every day their language, we can understand little bit.
yeah, you are right. Even I have not listened to any of them before that. When I talk to them, only at that time I listen to them, and that too in English, not in their own language.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sir, in your at home, which language do you speak?
Hindi, not in English.
Okay,
Even I do not have any friend with whom I can speak in English, just like you.
okay.
Yeah.
How you are practicing?
No, now there is no need for me to practice actually. And sometimes whenever I get the time, at that time I call someone and talk like this. Otherwise, I used to do the same thing that you do. As you said that you go to the field for doing the practice, so I used to do the same thing because of the lack of the friends. Even I had no friend for doing this thing, and even at present, I do not have any kind of friend with whom I can do good practice.
Okay,
So, and sometimes I talk to foreigners whenever I feel like talking from different countries.
yeah.
Yes. So, do you want to know something else? Otherwise, we can hang up now. We will talk some other time, right?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay. Thank you
okay.
so much.
Thank you. Bye, sir.